All right, so while I was taking my first ride in my new Pioneer, I noticed that the steering wheel is not centered. So when I'm going straight, this is my steering wheel. And if you're like me, that bugs the hell out of you. So I wanted to make sure there wasn't something going on with the suspension, so I looked everything over. Nothing's bent or anything. Everything's brand new. All my tie rods, everything's adjusted equally. It does appear to me that the tires, or the alignment from the factory, it's like kicked out a little on both sides. But I'm sure it's supposed to be that way. But everything looks good there. So I'm going to show you real quick how to straighten your steering wheel. It's actually pretty easy. So if you look close, there's a couple of tabs. You can just take a flathead screwdriver, pop it in here, pop this off, and then we're going to zip this nut off real quick, and then we can take the steering wheel off, put it where we want it, and put it back down and tighten it up. Alright, it's a 19mm socket. I'm going to take it off, I'm going to zip it off real quick with an impact. Okay. I will not put it back on with an impact. See, so the wheel just comes right off. So make sure you have it where you want it, or where you know the wheels are straight. And before you start this, obviously we'll just pull it right off now. Just a little bit of doing this one hand, see it comes right off. And then we can set it back on straight. Alright, so it looks to be straight now. Then we'll tighten this back down. Nice thing is you don't need a steering wheel puller or anything like that. So I'm going to take it out, actually drive it, make sure it looks straight enough before I tighten it down completely. I mean, obviously I'm going to snug it down, but before I put all the covers back on and everything, that way I make sure I like where it's at. Alright, so like I said, I left this kind of loose. So when I was out driving, I did have to make a few adjustments. Just brought my wrench here. You can just spin this off, reposition it, tighten it down. As long as you don't pull the wheel, it's on a spline shaft, it's not going to go anywhere. Especially with power steering. Alright, so we'll get it snug down nice and tight. It basically stops once it's tight. Just make sure it's nice and snug. And then just pop our cap back on. There we go. All right, hope that helped you out. Until next time, we'll see you later.